Their beans are delicious all through. Lovely beans everywhere.
Well, they're clever enough to probably invent something.
Yeah. You realise today's the day. Today's the day I hear whether I want on the premium bonds. Today's the day I hear whether I want on the premium bonds.
Oh, right.
I could be a millionaire today.
Oh, well, it's all right.
About 3 months ago, I had these premium bonds for about 30 years, never won a thing. And then 3 months ago, I won 4 times in 1 month.
4 times a woman?
Yeah, only 25s, but...
I know, but still.
And I went all those years with nothing.
Yeah?
And then suddenly, 1 month, I win 4 times. There's something wrong, isn't there?
I think it's fixed. It's like the lottery. The lottery's fixed. Sure it is. Against me. No, my son bought a lot of premium bonds this one stage, and he had a right run of wins. 2 or 3 times, and then nothing.
Just left.
So I think
Every
Wait a minute, somewhere.
yeah.
I keep thinking I'm going to be a millionaire next time.
I know you think
You always live in hope, don't you?
I don't know what I'd do if I had any plans, to be honest.
160 odd, I wouldn't know what to do.
You're just joining on
No,
the
it
middle
would just
track
be...
now.
Oh, am I?
Because I'm not a good spender.
With a rat. Yeah.
No, I'm a good saver. I'm good at making money.
See
but
what
not good at
menu
spending.
you've got, Jack?
The rat.
I was at work to get that, I can spend it on that.
Just in case.
Everybody says you're going to be the richest corpse in the cemetery.
Well, look at the
Fat chance.
Yeah, you can see
My son
it
gobbles it up like to go tomorrow.
I think if I won the thing, I'd put a really hefty sum aside to be looked after. And then spend the rest, have that safety, hefty sums, but how much relax.
How much would you need as a safety margin? These day and age, you could live
400,000 or something? You're really going to have top care? I don't know. It's an enormous sum of money. I mean, if you went on into your 90s.
I think 2 million, I think millions. I think we'll go for about 20 million.
Well, you can spend $1 million quite really lashed out. Instead of driving yourself, employed a gardener and a chauffeur. You know, I mean, they be getting to...
I had a chat with somebody a while back on a Saturday. We were having coffee somewhere. We were saying, when that person won $260 million, we said, what would you do then? Suppose you won $1 million.